Hi, welcome to TMD Motorhomes here in Withall. Today I'd like to present to you the eldest Accordo 120, probably the most popular Accordo in the range. This lovely compact motorhome comes packed full of extras: alloy wheels, awning, reverse camera, microwave, winter pack and external barbecue point. Let's take a look inside. Thank you for taking the time to watch our video. If you'd like any information on this lovely Accordo 120, please give us a call here at the Withall sales site. And if you like the video, please click like below. Thank you.